Struggling to make a small apartment feel organized and functional? You're definitely not alone. In today's video, we're diving into some incredibly smart Amazon space-saving finds designed specifically for tiny homes and compact apartments. From clever multi-purpose furniture to hidden storage solutions and vertical organizers, these upgrades help maximize every inch of your living space. And if something catches your eye, you'll find all the product links waiting for you down in the description below. Let's jump right in. Kicking things off with this folding sleeper chair sofa bed, a smart space-saving upgrade designed for compact apartments and multifunctional rooms. This versatile chair easily transforms from a comfortable upright seat into a relaxing lounge or even a full sleeper bed within seconds. This makes it perfect for movie nights, quick afternoon naps, or accommodating overnight guests without needing bulky furniture. This cushioned padding and sturdy frame keep it supportive while staying compact. Most models typically cost around $200 to $300. Right after that, this storage ottoman bench combines hidden storage with everyday comfort in a surprisingly stylish way. This padded bench works beautifully at the foot of a bed, in an entryway, or beside a living room sofa while secretly storing blankets, pillows, or seasonal items inside. This flipping lid opens wide so everything stays easily accessible, yet neatly tucked away. This sturdy build also doubles as extra seating whenever guests arrive. Most versions usually range around $50 to $120. Now this one's surprisingly clever. This sofa armrest tray instantly converts a regular couch arm into a functional mini side table. This flexible clip-on design wraps securely around most armrests to create a stable surface for drinks, snacks, remotes, or small gadgets. This built-in rotating phone holder also keeps your screen positioned perfectly for watching videos or scrolling comfortably. This compact upgrade adds convenience without needing extra furniture. Most options typically cost around $20 to $35. Moving right along, this 6-tier corner shelf makes smart use of those empty corner spaces that often go completely unused. This tall vertical design stacks multiple display levels upward, giving you plenty of room for books, plants, decor pieces, or collectibles. This built-in LED lighting adds a subtle glow that highlights everything placed on the shelves while also bringing a modern aesthetic into the room. This structure stays slim while maximizing storage vertically. Most versions usually sell for around $60 to $100. Up next, this 6-tier tree bookshelf brings a creative twist to traditional book storage. Instead of bulky rectangular shelving units, this design stacks angled branches that resemble a small tree while neatly holding books, magazines, or decor items. This vertical layout saves valuable floor space while still offering multiple storage levels. This compact structure works especially well in apartments, bedrooms, or home offices where large bookcases feel overwhelming. Most models usually cost around $40 to $80. Meanwhile, this over-the-door pantry organizer instantly unlocks hidden storage space behind any door. This multi-tier rack hangs securely without drilling, turning unused vertical space into organized shelves for snacks, spices, canned goods, or kitchen essentials. This design helps declutter cabinets while keeping frequently used items easy to see and reach. This also works great in laundry rooms, bathrooms, or closets where additional shelving is needed. Most versions typically range around $30 to $60. Let's keep things rolling with this slim storage cart designed to slide perfectly into narrow spaces. This vertical rolling cart fits between appliances, beside cabinets, or next to bathroom fixtures where bulky shelves simply won't work. This multi-tier design keeps everyday essentials neatly organized, while the smooth wheels make it easy to pull out whenever needed. This compact organizer turns tiny gaps into valuable storage zones. Most options usually cost around $25 to $45. Now here's another smart upgrade that tackles one of the messiest spaces in most homes. This under-sink organizer creates structured storage beneath kitchen or bathroom sinks. This 2-tier design separates cleaning supplies, bottles, and tools into easy-to-reach sections instead of cluttered piles. This sliding drawers or pull-out baskets make it simple to grab items hidden in the back. This compact system instantly transforms chaotic cabinets into organized storage zones. Most versions typically range around $20 to $40. Next up, this over-the-toilet storage shelf takes advantage of vertical bathroom space that often goes completely unused. This tall frame fits neatly above the toilet while providing multiple shelves for towels, toiletries, baskets, or decorative accents. This design keeps everyday essentials accessible without cluttering limited countertop space. This structure is especially helpful in small bathrooms where cabinets and drawers are limited. Most options typically cost around $40 to $80. Meanwhile, these underbed storage containers unlock a huge amount of hidden space right beneath your bed. This low-profile design slides smoothly under most bed frames, making it perfect for storing off-season clothing, extra bedding, shoes, or bulky items. This clear lids or zip covers keep contents protected while still easy to identify at a glance. This simple solution helps free up valuable closet space instantly. Most sets typically range around $25 to $50. Quick pause. If something here is already making your life easier, you can find all the product links down in the description below. Now let's move into the kitchen with this foldable spice rack, a compact organizer designed to keep seasoning bottles neatly arranged without taking up too much counter space. This tiered design lifts each row slightly higher so every spice stays visible and easy to grab while cooking. This foldable frame also allows it to collapse flat when not needed, making it great for small kitchens or pantry shelves. This simple upgrade instantly makes cabinets feel more organized and efficient. Most versions typically cost around $15 to $25. Moving forward, this laptop adjustable desk brings flexible comfort to working, studying, or browsing from almost anywhere. This portable desk features adjustable height and tilt settings that help position screens at a more ergonomic angle. This makes it perfect for working on a couch, sitting in bed, or creating a temporary workstation in tight spaces. This sturdy platform supports laptops, tablets, books, or notebooks while staying lightweight enough to move easily. Most models usually range around $30 to $60. Now, keeping the space-saving ideas rolling, this folding desk delivers a practical workspace that disappears when not in use. This slim desk unfolds quickly to create a stable work surface for laptops, writing, or small projects. This fold-flat design allows it to tuck against a wall, behind a door, or inside a closet once work is finished. This makes it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or compact home offices where permanent desks take up valuable floor space. Most options typically cost around $70 to $120. Right after that, this vanity chair stool adds both comfort and style to makeup stations, dressing areas, or bedroom corners. This compact seat usually features soft cushioning and a sturdy base that makes daily grooming routines more comfortable. This smaller footprint allows it to slide neatly beneath vanity tables to keep the area looking tidy and uncluttered. This also works beautifully as a decorative accent chair in tight spaces. Most versions generally range around $40 to $80. Now this one turns an ordinary bath into a relaxing spa-like experience. This wooden bathtub tray stretches across the tub to hold everyday relaxation essentials within easy reach. This expandable design adjusts to fit different bathtub widths while providing space for a book, tablet, candle, or even a glass of wine. This raised holders keep devices stable while preventing them from slipping. This simple addition transforms bath time into a comfortable unwind session. Most options usually cost around $25 to $50. Meanwhile, this wall-mounted clothes drying rack offers a clever way to air-dry clothing without sacrificing floor space. This fold-out design attaches to the wall and expands outward whenever you need extra drying lines. This makes it especially useful in apartments, laundry rooms, or bathrooms where bulky drying racks quickly become inconvenient. This collapsible structure folds back flat against the wall once laundry is finished. Most versions typically range around $30 to $60. Let's keep things practical with this clothes drying rack, built to handle larger laundry loads with ease. This freestanding rack features multiple hanging rods that give shirts, towels, and delicate fabrics plenty of airflow while drying naturally. This lightweight frame folds down quickly when not needed, helping save valuable storage space. This portable design also makes it easy to move between rooms or near windows for faster drying. Most models typically cost around $35 to $70. Next up, these laundry baskets with wheels make hauling heavy laundry far less of a chore. This tall basket design holds large loads of clothing, while built-in wheels allow it to glide smoothly across floors. This eliminates the need to carry heavy baskets between bedrooms, closets, and laundry rooms. This ventilated structure also helps reduce trapped moisture and odors inside. Most versions usually land around $25 to $50. Shifting back into the kitchen, this wall-mounted pot rack transforms empty wall space into a practical cooking storage zone. This sturdy rack holds pots, pans, and cooking utensils while keeping them within easy reach during meal prep. This vertical setup frees up cabinet space that often gets overcrowded with cookware. This also adds a professional kitchen-style look while keeping everyday tools organized. Most versions typically range around $30 to $70. And wrapping things up with a practical workshop upgrade, this screw tool organizer keeps small hardware neatly sorted and easy to locate. This multi-compartment storage box separates screws, nails, bolts, and other tiny components into clearly divided sections. This transparent lid helps identify contents instantly without opening every compartment. This compact organizer is perfect for garages, tool benches, or DIY hobby stations where tiny parts often get lost. Most options usually cost around $15 to $30. And that wraps up these smart space-saving finds designed to make small homes feel more organized, efficient, and comfortable every single day. From multifunctional furniture to clever kitchen and storage upgrades, these simple additions can completely transform how your space works. If any of these caught your eye, you'll find all the product links waiting down in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart home finds.